Setting up Salesflare for your sales team doesn't have to be a complicated process, and today we're going to walk through it quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Salesflare or you're looking for a refresher, you'll get everything you need to know in just a few minutes. Stay tuned because I'll also share how you can get an extended, exclusive free trial at the end of this video, which you won't want to miss. Salesflare is a CRM designed to help you manage and grow customer relationships with minimal effort. It uses automation to save time and improve productivity, making it ideal for busy sales teams. Now, let's dive into how to set it up for your sales team. The first step is to integrate your email. Salesflare works seamlessly with Gmail and Outlook, so syncing your emails will help the software pull in valuable data and automatically associate conversations with the right contacts. By doing this, Salesflare tracks emails, meetings, and other interactions, ensuring that your team never misses a beat when managing prospects. Next, you want to add your contacts. Salesflare makes this easy by allowing you to import contacts from Google, LinkedIn, and even Excel. Once your contacts are uploaded, the software will begin organizing them based on your interactions with each lead. You'll see all your customer data in one place, which is a huge time saver when your team is working with multiple prospects at once. Once you've got your contacts set up, it's time to start customizing your pipeline. Salesflare allows you to create custom pipelines for each stage of your sales process. This customization lets your team track opportunities more accurately, which leads to better conversion rates. You can also set reminders and follow-up tasks to keep everyone on track. Another powerful feature of Salesflare is the automation of tasks. Salesflare automatically updates contact records, follows up with leads, and logs activities, freeing up your sales reps to focus on selling rather than admin. You can even set up email sequences to nurture leads and create drip campaigns that run automatically. For collaboration, you can create and assign tasks to team members. Salesflare makes it simple to keep everyone on the same page, whether it's setting up meetings, sending follow-ups, or reviewing deals. Every action is logged, making it easy to see who's doing what and where things stand. The next step is integrating your calendar. Salesflare syncs with Google Calendar and Outlook, so your team can easily schedule and track meetings directly within the software. This integration helps streamline workflows and ensures that your team stays on top of important meetings and deadlines. To wrap things up, you'll want to get insights on your sales data. Salesflare's reporting tools help you track sales performance, monitor team activity, and analyze key metrics. These insights allow your sales team to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to boost your sales performance. Before we go, remember, you can start using Salesflare completely free with our exclusive extended trial by clicking the first link in the description below. This bonus is available for a limited time, so make sure to take advantage of it. Setting up Salesflare is quick and easy, and by following these steps, you'll have your sales team up and running in no time, driving better results with less effort. Don't forget to check out the free trial. It's a game changer for sales teams looking to streamline their processes and grow faster.